making me feel less than a man. It's treacherous lands, a scam, every temple's got a weapon in hand. Either be careful with your cash or get short changed. A board game, snort cane, life's too short like pop fame. I keep my ear down to the ground just for fun. Spun your fucking head, I swear to you one day you'll be gone. Oh, you lucky wee bastard. I don't see nothing no matter where. Either play or get played, stop trying so hard to delay it. Reclaim my focus so the dullest could quote us. And almost as deepest, darkest, hocus pocus, the coldest you'll never notice. MOG, stepping through the fog and creeping through the smog. All that bossy top dog, filthy son of flaws. It's a rite of passage when I'm writing a passage. Enticing savage fucking animals and addicts, calculating my tactics. You're on that twig snapping rapping. I'm a stem free MC, pissing we're laughing at the shit that you're trapping. But it happens, ladies and laddies, and patiently I manage to be creatively contaminated. Spare me the baggage. Natural born surveyor, too back to be called a player, too forward to be dishonest, too Glasgow to talk it faker. Making wages but no kind, don't sell it to rangers. I'd rather gamble on life undetermined. I'm my own saviour, let the disc spin. Open up your gubbin, put us in. Any Mary feeding on this kind of shit, you'll have 6 chins. It starts with a image, it's getting dark in the village. Blood spillage is a certified part of the drillage. Seeing tempers rising up like fireworks, been crying for months and still my tired eyes are dry as the sun. 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. So quick to talk about the dirt that you do but you've done none. He's a bit of hush, stop asking me must you cuss. How come all you can hear is fuck? I nearly bust my guts.
JKC the drunken fuck, pumped up with the rates. I mind like Padjo Bateman, crossman on them baits. I use a 6-6 sense to spit a 6 sentence and plant syntax on the friends of drug dependence. Bitten next in the cypher, leave you para as fuck. Growling like a sniffer dog at the cannabis cup, the most arrogant fuck. Egotistical, cocky on my praise I stalk you. Fucking dare you to stalk me. And twice what you are thicker than Rick, cooler than Keith. Just one of my punchlines will knock it through your teeth. So gather up, cover up, check my expertism. Malaries don't raise your spirits, they perform an exorcism. I'm living in a sin bin, a kingpin in my own right. Cutting off your airways just because I flow tight. One of Glasgow's finest, whether you like it or not. You write your name in paper, set it ablaze to make your fucking name hot. I'm a leader in this field, nasty brash, so no wise. So important if I go off beat, you hear the tune, apologise. See the scene for what it is, pathetic and appalling. As MC turns to singing, watch these pishy labels falling. I catch you up the closest, buzzing, looking at your lyric stick. Turning up your noses, cause I won't make my image fit. I hear people claiming old school, but I'm not sure if that's right. GH reprobates who talk with listen, can he dance right? They're getting old, they're getting rusty like the cuts you kick it with. I call a speed, I'm describing what I'll hit you with. I'm such an expert, one except for my brain. And sits on the perfect strain, virus drive you insane. Try this, like a peril, can you step with it? I'm then going then go before I fuck your mind up like you were the scarecrow. I'm the ghost in the machine, whispering short circuit. Don't push me any further please, it's not worth it.